Necesito munición de
¡Hay
pistola.
munición!
Caja de blindaje aquí.
Aquí hay una escopeta.
Helicóptero de transporte derribado. ¡Ah! ¡Me han dado!
Vamos allá. Prepárate para luchar.
¡Muévete, soldado! ¡En tierra! Esto es el Gulag. Aquí dentro lucharás para recuperar tu vida. ¡Puertas!
Estás en el Gulag. Lucha para poder redesplegarte.
Where are you, boy? Here I am, bitch. Here I am, bitch.
Soldados, vuestras patéticas vidas ahora me pertenecen. Solo podréis hora de matar.
gas lacrimógeno.
Entrega de armamento en camino.
I can't hear Tom now.
I don't think he's muted. The next
Yeah, you
his
both
name, but
talking, but you both can't hear each
I
other.
haven't done that.
Oh well, you can be the middleman.
Who's got an X next?
I don't get it. I don't know how, like... Super. Makes no sense.
Never makes any sense. Look at him to start with, and then he went.
I've got black screen.
Comprobad las armas y el equipo. Estamos esperando el despliegue.
Can you now, Joe?
Yeah, I can hear.
Aaron.
Oh,
Yeah,
I can hear you,
now.
Tom.
Yeah,
I had to
You're
take
muted.
out my toilet roll and then pick it up with the toilet
You
tissue
muted
and
me?
rip up.
I think so, yeah. Did a Sean.
Nathan! Nathan! Oh, I gotta go. Fucking gangster! Gangster! Oh, I got a little gangster. Say my name!
Práctica. Pasa al combate real.
Get fuck.
I bet suck mommy prick.
Such a prick.
Get a little gangster, you know. You suck, he's a gangster. No one should say my name. He needs to just be squashed by the fucking bin man truck. At least we're walking down the road and get stuck in there and die. Wow. Let's get to that village, mate.
How the fuck are you
Sorry,
gonna get over there? You going to chopper or what?
No, there, behind us. Where are you going?
Oh yeah. Come in, come in.
Objetivos de recompensa identificados. Eliminadlos. Objetivos identificados. A ello.
Why the fuck is this even in the game? Joe,
that?
come here. Come here. Joe, come here.
Oh, it's raiding their bathroom cabinets and finding drugs.
Looks.
Come on.
Just turn to the side, look. Let me
There
have a
we
look
go.
for you.
Oh, what
Come
are
have
we
a look
looking at? What are we
at this.
looking at?
Look at this. Look in here. Look, try and run out the other end.
What? There's a hallway like that.
Leads
Mate,
to
that architect
nowhere.
wants shooting.
What do you want? Do you want just like a hallway with where it leads to nowhere? Yeah, I'm off that.
Yeah, but I don't want a door at the other end of the hallway. And I don't want a window or anything in there. I want it to be like a long storeroom.
Answer. Take that though. Fuck you, UAV.
You get a bit aggressive on this game, didn't you?
He does.
I do.
He's on them keyboard warriors, isn't he? Took him on.
Oh, we had a funny one since the last year. So, Joe saying if you jump out first, you're like kids underneath 5 years old.
Wow. That other one alone was all quiet and he just went, "You jump up first, you go."
Yeah, that was fucking funny. That was.
Please tell me loads of people didn't jump out.
No, they all just jump out straight away.
Everyone jumped out and he's just like, "You'll go, you'll go, you'll go." I got like a million and a half likes now.
The joys of being a virgin.
Bit weird, isn't it, that proximity?
Why?
Atención.
But you're chatting away and then you forget like they can
Oh,
hear you,
it's a
so
fucking... It's gonna get a load out. Come on, then. Oh, fuck me. One right in front of me. Actual person
Where?
right in front of me. In there.
Where's the pussy?
Oh, no, it's not.
No, it's not.
Lads.
I think they might have been people though, they seem to be sniping at the far end. Where the helicopter
Where?
is.
They are, there we are.
Where? Oh dear.
Nuestro equipo llegó a la zona segura.
Mina de racimo de
Contrato fallido. Tiempo agotado.
coche marcado.
One here inside this wall. I think it might be an AR.
Nope.
That was an AR.
No, one here.
Wasting my fucking bullet.
No, there is actually... I've just killed one of them.
Was that one that you and me just shot at?
Yeah. We've just
I got
killed one.
upstairs.
What?
Yep.
Ah, bit boppity pizza!
Yeah, right here. Two of them.
Okay.
Boppity pizza!
Vuestro compañero está en el...
Oh, the calzone!
Se redesplegará.
Solicito un vuelo de reconocimiento.
Recibido. UAV en posición.
Oh, only if I shot you. One down outside.
Vuestro compañero ha entrado en el gulag. Se redesplegará si sobrevive.
Ataque aéreo aliado en zona.
There's one here, Joe, in front of you. Nice.
Oh, there's one up here, mate. Fuck's sake.
Recibido.
Come on, Elon. Let's get this, yeah?
Vuestro compañero está en el gulag. Luchará por redesplegarse.
Aquí hay una mochila de blindaje.
Oh, Elon! Fucking hell.
Han aplastado a vuestro compañero.
My bad.
Ya lo
That was
saben.
dog shit from me.
Amenazas en la zona.
Get here, boys, I think.
Vuestro compañero ha perdido la pelea. Volverá a la base.
Enemigo en la zona.
Up on top, aren't they?
it's just down there.
Vattene, vattene.
Movimiento en esta zona.
I'll get some money up.
Se acerca. Llegad a la nueva zona segura.
Stow it, Joe.
But put some more light up.
Gotta get us back, ain't you?
UAV enemigo encima.
I'll try and get some monies, haven't we? While we get that.
That one just jumped off in front of you.
That's
Oh, it's
our man.
Aanleggen aan de straat is allemaal weg.
Aquí hay un enemigo.
Todos a la zona segura.
Posible enemigo aquí.
Daar komen daar. Ah, rennen, kom.
There's one sniping there, Joe.
You should have spoke to him, Joe.
Oh, nice.
Oh,
it's
the
been
speds
done.
up.
Been done.
Probably got snipers.
Muévete, soldado.
No, because they're pussies, they're not using it.
500 look and more, man.
Ah, sí,
Esto es el
dai.
Gulag.
Fuck all in there.
Aquí dentro. Lucharás para recuperar tu
Wallah,
vida.
I don't know, bro.
Soldados, vuestras patéticas vidas ahora me pertenecen. Solo podréis ¡hora de matar!
Troppo carico questo.
¡Más os vale que alguien muera!
Nice.
Prepárate para volver.
Trying to find you a.
Yeah, I think there's one up front, but I think
There's
someone's
one
been bought back there.
literally there.
I think someone's been bought back there.
Yeah, I thought I saw him flying.
Any more local or not?
No, not really. Next one is down at this village. Yeah, trim to the right.
El gas se acerca. Trasladando zona segura.
Ecco, l'ho visto là dentro. Panic.
Peligroso.
There it is to the left hand side. There it is around that side. You can go for it quick. To your right now. Oh no, he's coming over. Fuck. Unlock him.
Desde la derrota, el fracaso es el mejor maestro. Prepárate, vas a volver a la acción.
What? We've had a
Hey?
jailbreak.
Tu aliada en camino.
Yeah?
We've just hit a jailbreak.
Yeah.
Wow! Just in that second.
I'm going for that.
Entendido.
Team just gone for that one.
Whole
don't
team
that
gone.
one.
Go.
This one.
Un enemigo desciende sobre la zona.
Whole team dropping in.
Coloco una mina.
Anyone got a heartbeat?
Vuelo colocada.
No.
There's one. There.
Yeah.
Wait for him to come out. He's gonna fucking come out because he won't want to be in there.
But
Going out the back, going out right.
yeah, he's over there. One other team's jumped out as well.
UAV enemigo activo.
I can't believe that for timing.
Well, even if you're all dead, it'd come back, don't you, these days?
I suppose if you're just watching, yeah. Team over there as well.
Hostile in the area, apparently.
Team fighting over there.
How the fuck do you two get up there?
Ladders.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
UAV enemigo encima.
One right here, one down here.
El gas está en camino, marcando nueva zona segura.
No, I'm
Whole team over there.
Sector peligroso.
Team on there.
Viene ataque de mortero aliado.
Right on. Going down to you, Joe.
Una mierda de soldado.
Vuestro equipo
One
entró
to the
en
right, Andy.
One bought back at the boy. Wow.
On this side over here.
UAV enemigo activo.
Fuck me.
Amenazas en la zona.
Broke his arm up.
Tienen enfilada.
Don't know why I are now.
Oh!
Told you.
Right,
I
probably
found
was,
that.
same place.
That's it.
Now, boys.
Dron de reconocimiento enemigo.
llegada a la nueva zona segura.
No way! Fuck off!
Rex.
Back up.
Movimiento. Avanzo.
Load that.
Got armor, Joe.
Nope.
What the fuck?
Volveremos reforzados.
Did you not kill him, man?
Honestly,
Dunno. Can't bullets.
I have